Puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Out of the box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is my after Christmas dining room reset. As you can see, my Christmas tree is gone. All of the polar bears have disappeared. So I'm going to bring you in and show you the changes I've done to my dining room. On the buffet, I've removed all the polar bears and I've added my black and white lamp here. I've added the clear beads around it. In the center here, I was not ready to get rid of these beautiful reindeers, so I decided to keep this one out for my winter look. I put my white fair placemats under him to represent the snow and just set him on top of it. On the side, I've added the crystal Christmas tree, and it is crystal, so I think it'll be okay for winter. I've added the 2 large candlesticks on side of it, and that is for the buffet. On the wall, I kept my same art. I did remove my Christmas pillows from my chairs. And over here on my dining table, I did remove the snow table runner and placemats. What I've done, I've went in and added the black placemats. I replaced them with the snow placemats. So I had the snow placemats. If you remember, I had these over here for Christmas, and I just went in and I added the black ones. So I did not change out my dinnerware because I will be doing my Valentine's tablescape, so I didn't want to go through all of the changing of that. For my centerpiece, I did go back in and added the clear white runner. And if you take a look at this runner, this was the runner I used on my black tree as the big large bow. I showed you how I used the runner to tie that bow on that Christmas tree. I came back in here for the centerpiece. After we removed all of the polar bears, I came in and added the 2 black and white poinsettias with the loop. I've added 2 candlesticks on each side and 1 in the middle. I've also kept my placemats here, and as I said, I kept the table. I've added the 2 candlesticks on each side, and I also left the little white bows on them. I added the 3rd one here in the middle of my loop. And then I added the black and gold on each side of it. So I did use 5 candle holders here, the 2 poinsettias for my centerpiece. So this is my winter reset. I probably will be going in and changing this. As you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I will be changing all of this out, but it is still winter, and when I got up this morning, there was snow on the ground, so I decided to go ahead and leave touches of winter here in my dining room. If you would, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my dining room reset for winter. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this winter reset. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.